Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Telegram wallet in 2026 step by step. Now Telegram has improved the wallet system this year and the withdrawal options now depend on your region, your verification status and the currency that you are holding. So in today's walkthrough, I will take you from checking whether your wallet is ready to setting up your withdrawals method and to finally sending the money out. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to move your funds safely and avoid any kind of failed transactions. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now first of all, you need to open Telegram, then use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you type wallet, you just have to tap on the wallet icon if it appears directly in the search bar. You can also tap on the three lines on the top left hand corner of the screen. From the given options as well, you can select the wallet option. So what this is gonna do is, it is going to open your Telegram wallet in front of you. Over here on the top, you are going to see the current balance that you have. You will see all of the recent transactions that you have made here if you just scroll down on this page. Plus it is going to show you how many cryptos you own and how many Tone coins you have. So before withdrawing, you need to check if your wallet shows a verification required message on this page. So if it gives you the verification required message, you just have to tap on it and you will have to provide the KYC related details. In this particular KYC, you will be asked to provide your ID and you need to basically confirm your phone number. So you need to complete it. It is going to take only a few minutes. So this particular step is going to prevent the withdrawal errors. As you can see, currently in my account, it is not actually showing any kind of verification option. It simply means that I have successfully already set up my account. I have verified all of the information. And now the fourth step is remaining, which is setting up the passcode. So this thing I can do later. Now in this step 2, you need to make sure that your balance is in the withdrawable currency. Now Telegram is going to support multiple currencies like USDT, then we have Tone coin, then we have BTC and the local fiats depending on your region. Now not every currency can be withdrawn directly to your bank account. You need to remember this thing. If your balance is in Tone or the crypto that you want to withdraw to a bank or the card, you just have to simply tap on the option of exchange. After that, you need to convert your balance into the supported withdrawal currency. For example, let's say you have any other currencies. So you can tap on the option of that particular currency which you have. Afterwards, you can convert it in the supported withdrawal currency, which is USDT or Tone. So this particular step is optional, but it matters because Telegram only lets you withdraw in the formats that your region actually supports. Now, once you have your converted currencies available for the withdrawals, simply tap on the option of withdraw that you see here on the home page. Once you do this, it is going to show you a bunch of different withdrawal options in front of you. It also depends on your country. In my country, it might show you different options, but in your country, it may show different options. So all in all, you are going to see the bank card option or the bank transfer option. Then we have the option of the debit or credit card withdrawals. After that, you can basically withdraw your cryptos to any other exchange or the wallet. So if you only see the crypto options, that means your region doesn't support the direct bank withdrawals yet. So you need to select the method that you prefer. So let's say you want to transfer or withdraw your money from Telegram to your bank account. So when you tap on it, you just have to provide your banking details and follow further instructions in order to basically initiate the withdrawals. If you want to sell your cryptos, you can select the option of the P2P Express. After that, press next and tap on the option of check it out. Now you need to select that particular asset which you want to sell. After selecting it, simply press continue. Now select your currency in which you want to get your money. Then tap continue. Now here you just have to add the balance. So you just have to provide the balance and click on the option of sell. So once you click on the option of sell, you are going to basically sell your currency here via P2P method and you will get your money directly in your bank account. The next option that you use here is P2P market, which is a Pro feature, and it is going to give you some of the advanced options too. Here the zero fees is available, so you can do it without paying anything extra. Now if you want to withdraw your crypto to any other external wallets, simply select the wallet. After that, simply tap on the option of the currencies that you have available. So currently I have the Dogecoin available. So after tapping on the currency which you have available or which you want to withdraw, it is going to ask you to provide the wallet address of that particular currency. So you need to launch that particular exchange or the wallet in which you want to withdraw your cryptos from Telegram wallet. For example, let's say I want to transfer the Dogecoin from the Telegram wallet to my Binance account. So once you are here, tap on the option of add funds, tap on the option of on-chain withdrawal. Over here, use the search bar and look for the option of Dogs. Once you are able to find it, tap on the option of Tone. Then it is going to show you the deposit address in front of you. You need to copy this address from here. Then go back to your Telegram wallet, paste the address here in this section, then press continue. After that, select the number of Dogecoins which you want to basically send from your Telegram account. After selecting it, simply press next here in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to basically follow certain instructions in order to initiate your transaction. Now it may also ask you for the insufficient funds that you need to pay for the gas fees. Now the gas fees actually depends on the currency that you are transferring. For Telegram, you need to make sure that you have some tones available for the smooth transaction. So once your transaction is completed, you just have to wait for some time until you get your cryptos in your account. So this way you will be able to withdraw money from the Telegram wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.